So very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about pronouns. So we have learned about nouns in the smaller classes. Haven't we, children? Do you know what a nouns are? Have you learned nouns in class 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, have you learned nouns in class 1? Yes, all of you? Have you learned? Yes. So we have learned nouns in class 1. Do you know what a nouns are? Come on, tell me.
Nouns are naming words.
Yes, nouns are naming words. Very good. What does it name? Come on, tell me. It names a?
It names a person,
person.
animal, or place.
Very good, very good. So nouns are naming words. It names a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay. So nouns are naming words. It names a person. Person means we. We are nouns. Okay. Places. All the places that we see, all are nouns. Animals and birds and things. So all are nouns. So we know what our nouns are. And pronouns are nothing but words that take place, the noun. Okay. That take place, okay, that take the place of a noun are called pronouns. Clear to all of you?
Yes,
Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun. Okay, of a noun. Instead of repeating the same noun again and again, we can make use of the pronoun. Okay, so pronouns are words that take the place of a noun. So let's move on to the topic, my dear children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you. So all of you, please look at the slide. In today's session, we have nothing to do with our workbook exercises because unless we know what is a noun thoroughly, we can't move on to the exercises which are there in our workbook. So let's learn pronouns well. Okay, so all of you, please, all of you mute your audios, Children, I've kindly requested you all to mute your audios. Okay, first all of you, please get ready with your English grammar workbook. That is worksheet 10, pronoun. Just keep it open. Okay, let us learn what pronouns are. So let's move on to the pronouns. So we already know, I've already given an introduction. Pronouns are nothing but, it is a word that take the place of a noun. So a word which is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Clear to all of you? Okay. So a pronoun is a word that take the place of a noun. A word that take the place of a noun is called a pronoun. Clear to all of you? Okay. Now listen. Yes, all of you mute your audios, mute it. Only if it's necessary, you unmute it. Okay. If you keep on talking, what I explained to you, you could not understand. Yes, mute your audios. Listen. All of you, please do listen. Mute your audios. Listen first. Unless you listen, children, please do mute your children. Mute your audios. Why can't you understand what I'm saying? All of you, please do mute your audios. Okay. Now let's move on to the pronoun he. All of you, please look at the slide here. So here, my uncle is very nice. Okay. So here, my uncle is a noun. It stands for a noun. Instead of repeating my uncle over and over again, I have used the pronoun he as my uncle. What gender he is? He's a? Come on, tell me. Only when I ask you questions, you please answer. Uncle is a? What gender? Is a? Masculine gender. Yes, masculine gender. For masculine gender, we make use of the pronoun he. Is that clear to all of you? So my uncle, instead of repeating my uncle over and over again, I have used the pronoun he here. Has my uncle as a masculine gender. Clear to all of you? So he goes to the office. He is punctual. Now, have you understood where to use he now? Okay, so we use he for masculine genders. That is for singular. That is for one person. When we are talking about one person, we make use of the pronoun he when we are talking about a masculine gender. Now, have you understood? So, my uncle is very nice. Instead of repeating my uncle again, over and over again, I have used the pronoun he in place of the noun. Okay, have you understood? Now, let's move on to the next example. All of you, please have a look at it. Here, whom are we talking about? Come on, tell me. Yes, we are talking about my mother. My mother is what gender? My mother is a feminine gender. So we have to make use of which pronoun?
She loves
She. Yes, answer to my question. We have to make use of the pronoun she. Okay, as my mother is a feminine gender. So instead of repeating my mother again and again, I can make use of the pronoun she. So my mother is very sweet. She cooks tasty food. She loves me. Have you understood? Okay. Have you understood? So instead of my mother, that is a feminine gender, when we're talking about a singular person, that is one person, we can make use of the pronoun she. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. All of you, please have a look at it. Okay. When, yes, I use the pronoun I when I'm talking about myself. Okay. When I'm talking about myself, I don't repeat my name when I say about myself. If I have to say myself, I do say I am so and so. I'm a teacher. I do where I work here. I come from where. So I use, when I have to talk about myself, I use the pronoun I here. Okay, so I is a pronoun which is used when you have to talk about yourself. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes,
So here it is, I am a boy. I am 6 years old. I love to play with toys. I have many friends. So we have learned about 3 pronouns. He, she, I. All of you, please do mute your audios, my dear children. Otherwise, I have to mute your audios. Let me see who's not muting your audios here. Some of you are not muting your audios. I have to keep on saying this again and again. Okay, now listen. So we have learned about 3 pronouns. He, she, and I. Okay, now let's move on to the next pronoun. That is it. Okay, all of you, please have a look at it. It. When do we use it? It is used when we talk about an animal or a thing. All of you look at the slide. Okay, all of you please look at the slide. When we talk about an animal or a thing, we make use of the pronoun it. Okay, so it takes over, take the place of the noun when we are talking about an animal or a thing. Okay, so here we are talking about the cat here. The cat is small. So it takes place the place of the noun of the cat when we are talking about an animal. So we use the pronoun it here. It is very cute. Okay, so similarly, when we are talking about the bag, here when we are talking about a thing, so it, we use it. Okay, so the bag is full. It is pink in color. Okay, so it takes place in place of a noun, the bag. So when we're talking about an animal or a thing, we use the pronoun it. Clear to all of you? Yes, my dear children? Is it clear to all of you? So we have learned about he, she, I, it. Okay, so all these pronouns are used when we are talking about a single person. Okay, person, animal, or a thing. So now let's move on to the plural pronoun. Plural pronoun means when we are talking about many. So all of you, please look. Okay, please have a look at it. So first learn what are pronouns. We have to know the 7 main pronouns. These are the 7 main pronouns. Now let's move on to the plural pronouns. Okay. Plural pronouns. You is a plural pronoun because it is used for singular as well as for plural, but it is considered as plural pronoun. Okay, and you is used both for singular as well as for plural. So when we say that you are a nice man, we are pointing to a person in face to face and say, you are a nice man. So we use the pronoun you. Even if it's plural, we can make use of the pronoun you. You are good students. Okay, so we make use of the pronoun you in singular as well as in plural. Okay, so we make use of the pronoun you in singular as well as, so when we are talking about the singular as well as plural, we make use of the pronoun you, and it is used only for people. Okay, you are a nice man. You are a good student. Okay, is that clear to all of you? So you is a pronoun which is used both for singular and plural. You are a nice man. You are good students. Is that clear to all of you? Yes? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's move on to the next one. We. We is also used only for people. Okay, we is used when I'm talking about myself along with others. Can you get me? We is used only for people. When we talk about myself along with others. When we talk about we, you are included into it. We all are friends. Okay, we went for a picnic. So you, that is, you're along with myself, along with the others, I went for a picnic. So when you are included into it, you means myself is included into it, then we'll make use of the pronoun we. Clear? Yes? We make use of the pronoun we when myself along with the others are included into it. Myself means what? You. Okay, myself means here means I. I am included into it. So I, along with my friends, went for a picnic. Or we means I, along with my family, went for a picnic. So we is a pronoun which is used only for people when I'm talking about myself along with others. So see here, Riya, Geeta, Pia, Ram, and I are friends. So when we say about this, we can say that we are friends. Is that clear to all of you? Have you understood the meaning of we now? Okay, all such pronouns has different meaning. That is different usage. He is used for masculine gender. She is used for feminine gender. I, it is used when we talk about myself. It is used for animal, for when we talk about one person, or sorry, when we talk about one animal or one thing, we use the pronoun it. Then we learned about the pronoun you. Okay, you is also a pronoun which is used both for singular and plural. Okay, when you're talking about face to face, you can say you are a nice man. You are good students. So it is used both for singular and plural. Okay, but it is used only for people. We is also a pronoun. It is a pronoun which is used only for people, but the special usage is that when it is used when myself along with the others are included into it. You should be included into it. Only then we can use we. We play together. We play together means you are there. Okay, we are happy means you are there. Okay, only then we can use the pronoun we. Clear? They is also a pronoun, but it is used, they is the only pronoun which is used for plural. Okay, it is used for animals, people, as well as for things. Is that clear? They is the only pronoun which we use for plural, which is used for more than one animal, more than one thing, and more than one person. Okay? For singular animal and singular thing, we use it. Okay? If it is more than one, then we have only one pronoun, that is they, which is used for animals, things, and people. Have all of you understood all about the 7 pronouns in detail? Have you understood? The usage of the 7 pronouns. 7 pronouns are the main pronouns. They are called as a subject pronoun because it is used in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, as you are in second standard, have to use simple terms. That's why I've told you, these are the pronouns which are used at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, we have learned about sentence. Haven't we learned about the sentence? Okay, haven't we learned about the sentence? We said the sentence has 2 parts, the subject and the predicate. These pronouns are always used as subjects. Okay, these 7 pronouns. Pronouns can also be used as predicate, that we will learn later. Okay, so these pronouns always comes at the beginning of the sentence. These 7 pronouns. These 7 pronouns has different forms too, that we will learn later. First, let us learn these 7 pronouns in detail. Okay, let us know it thoroughly. Okay, have all of you understood? Yes? Yes? Come on, tell me. Have you all understood or what? If you've understood, let's move on to a short exercise. Okay. Are you all ready? Yes?
Yes.
So we have learned about he. We know when to use he, when to use she, I, it, you, we, they. So these are the 7 main pronouns. We need to know when to use these pronouns. So we'll move on for a short exercise. Okay. That is not there in your workbook. Okay. That is not there in your work. First, let us know it. Then we will move on to the exercise which is there in your work. No. Just listen. No. Nothing. You just keep your workbook open. Take your pencils in your hand. Just keep it open. That's all. There is an exercise. Oh, simple exercise for you. Okay. Very, very simple. Are you all ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Page and all, it's, I told you, pronouns exercises. Only when we are thorough with pronouns, only then we can move on to the workbook exercises, which is there in page number 26.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
No, it's not necessary. Okay. So all of you, please keep your audios muted. Audios muted. Please do keep your audios muted. Okay. Will you keep your audios muted? Yes. Yes, my dear.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I take the rough and write?
Yes, that is okay. That is up to you, my dear. Now, let's move on to Daniel. Daniel, come on, unmute it, my dear. All the others, please to mute your audios. Otherwise, I have to mute you all. Yes, it's lots of audio disturbances are there, children. I could not. Yes, Daniel, unmute it. Come on. Yes, come on. Look at the picture, Daniel. Daniel, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, look at the picture and tell me which pronoun I have to use.
She.
Yes, she. You can see the picture here. Look at the picture and tell me which pronoun I have to use. Is it she or he?
She.
Daniel. Huh?
She.
She. Very good. She. Yes, very good. Okay, Austin. Come on, Austin. Look at the picture and tell me which pronoun do I have to use.
They.
They. Very good. Very good. They. First, let us look at the picture. Come on, Megadash. Come on, Megadash. And look at the picture and come on, which pronoun I have to use? Come on, tell me. Megadash. Megadash, are you there? Can you hear me? No. Okay. Agne TS, come on. Agne TS. Agne, come on, unmute it. Yes, come on, look at the picture and come on, tell me. Megadash, I'll call you later. Okay, sit in your place. Yes, come on, tell me. It. Yes, very good. Come on, Megadash, it's your turn now. Come on, tell me. Megadash. No, look at this picture and come on, tell me. He or they? Come on, tell me. Megadash, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, look at the picture and come on, tell me whether we have to use he or they. Come on, tell me. Meghdash. He, very good. Yes, very good. He. Sridhar, come on, Sridhar. Look at this picture and tell me which pronoun do I have to use? Sridhar. All of you, please do turn on your videos, okay, my dear children?
Ma'am, it.
It, very good, very good. It is it. Now, Ayush. Ayush, come on, unmute it. And come on, tell me which pronoun do I have to use by looking at the picture? Come on, tell me. Which pronoun do I have to use? Yes, he. Very good. He. Then, Junaita, come on, Junaita. Come on, tell me which pronoun do I have to use? Come on, unmute it. Yes, come on, tell me.
They.
They, very good. They. Sarah, come on, tell me which pronoun I have to use here. Come on, look at the picture. Is it I or we? I, very good. Okay, so we have understood about the pronouns. By looking at the picture, we are able to identify which pronoun we have to use. Okay, now let's move on to the next exercise. A simple exercise for you. Okay, so here, we'll move on with the simple exercise, then we'll move on to the exercise which is there in your workbook. Okay, Meghdash, please do listen here. Okay, Marin, come on, Marin. Marin, come on, do the exercise which is here. Listen. Can you see the slide?
Yes,
all of you look at the slide. Is it legible to everyone? Come on. Yes. Marin, come on. Look at the picture, Marin.
He is kicking.
She is. You can look at the picture also. Is it he or she is kicking the ball? Look at the picture and come on, tell. Yes. Is it he or she? She, very good. She is the picture is looking like she only. Yes, she is kicking the ball. Very good, Merit. Okay, where is Ritvik? Ritvik, come on, Ritvik. Come on, look at the picture and come on, tell me.
This is my their hat.
What is that? This is my, yes, their hat. This is an extra question. It's not come under the 7 pronouns which we have learned, but still by looking at the picture and come on, tell me which pronoun I have to use there. Come on, tell me. It is easy, no? Here is showing his hat there. So this is it my hat or their hat? My, very good. It is my. He's pointed out his hat. So it is my hat. Okay.
My.
Now, Manav. Come on, Manav. Do the next one. Yes.
My hat.
No, this question, my dear. The next question. First 2 question is over.
They are dancing.
So look at the picture and come on, tell me. Is it or they? They, very good. They are dancing. You can see 2 people here. It's not one or it's, so we could, they. Okay, very good. Okay, Ivania, come on, Ivania. Ivania. Yes, Ivania, come on. Do the next one for me. Yes. Others, please do mute your audios. Who's reading? Is it Ivania's reading?
Yes.
Yes, come on, read. Read it once more.
It is a blue bag.
So it is a blue bag. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, Abhinav MP, come on, Abhinav. Come on, read the next sentence. Others, mute it. Come on, my dear. Read the question. When I ask you to read, please do read it. Abhinav, come on. See, look at the board. Come on, read. Some of you are taking such a long time.
Standing up.
Yes, come on, read. He, I'll
She.
help you. He, she. Come on, read.
He, she is
Is,
standing
yes.
up.
Very good. Okay, come on, tell me. Look at the picture and see whether it's he or she. Whether it's looking like a boy or a girl.
He.
Here, very good. It is he. So he is standing up. Very good. Okay, now Rehan. Come on, Rehan. Do the next question for me, Rehan. Yes. Look, yes, read the question. And come on, look at the picture too. That's why I provided for you a picture. Okay. Come on. It. It. Come on, read the full sentence.
It is.
Others mute.
Eating.
Yes. It is eating grass. Very good. We are talking about an animal, so we have to use it. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we have one more exercise for you. It is the exercise which you have to read it. You have to underline the pronoun in the following sentence. Okay. You have to underline the pronoun in the following sentence. So let me call Krishna Priya. Come on, Krishna Priya. Do the first question for me.
Ma'am. Page number.
Page number is not there, my dear.
He is a boy. This is line. He is a boy.
Yes, this is Ali. He is a boy. You have to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Come on, tell me which is a pronoun there. Come on, in this sentence, this is Ali. So instead of using Ali again and again, we have used a pronoun. Come on, identify the pronoun used here, Krishna Priya. Identify the pronoun. Come on, read the sentence once more. Who's doing the sentence here? Is it Krishna Priya's doing? Yes, Krishna Priya, unmute it, my dear, and read the question. Yes, come on, read. Yes, come on, read. Let me hear you.
He.
He, very good, he. Now it's audible to me. Okay, Juan, come on, Juan. Do the next question for me, Juan. Krishna Priya. Okay, Juan, come on. Okay. Krishna Priya is finished. Okay, Juan. Omar. It is Omar. It's a name. Yes, Omar has. Come on, read.
Omar has a kite. It is blue in color.
Yes, come on. You have to identify the pronoun. Yes, it is a pronoun. Here we are talking about the kite here. So again, it is not necessary for us to repeat the noun. It's not necessary to repeat the same noun again and again. We can make use of the pronoun. So for kite, it's a thing. So we have made use of the pronoun it. Very good. Now let's move on to Aradi. Come on, Aradi. Unmute it, Aradi. Yes, Aradi. Come on, do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it.
Raj and John are friends. They are playing in
they are playing in the park. Yes. So Raj and John are friends. They are playing in the park. You have to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Come on. Identify the pronoun there. Come on, do it. Who's reading the question here? Juan has completed, no? Who's the next person? Aradi, come on, Aradi. Come on, read the question once more. You have to identify the pronoun and the sentence. Come on, Aradhi, unmute it. Yes, read the question once more. Raj. Come on, read.
And John are friends.
Okay.
They are playing in the park.
Okay, come on, identify the pronoun and the sentence.
They.
They, very good. They. Here the pronoun is they. Very good. Here they stands for Raj and John. Okay,
John.
so we have to make use of the pronoun they. Very good. Okay, Adelan. Adelan, come on, read the next question. Fourth question. Is it legible to everyone? Come on, read the question.
A bird has fly.
What is this? W-I-N-G-S. How to read that? Come on, read it. A bird has. A bird has. Come on, read it aloud. W-I-N-G-S. It is wings. Okay. Wings. Okay. A bird has wings. Then.
Can fly.
Yes, it can fly. Come on, identify the pronoun in the sentence.
It.
It. Very good. It. Okay, it is it. Now let's move on to the next person. Marin, come on, Marin. Do the next sentence. There's one more sentence for us. It's time for us to wind up. Okay, anyhow.
This is Anika.
Alka. Okay, it's Alka is the name of a girl. Okay, now. Alka.
She is playing with a doll.
Yes. So, here you have to identify the pronoun in the sentence. Come on.
She.
She, very good. She. Okay. Now here, let's move on to the next person. Iron Binu, are you there? Iron? Come on, here is a, you can look, by looking at the picture, choose the right word to complete the sentence. Come on, read the first question and come on, tell me which pronoun to use. We have learned about the 7 main pronouns. Okay, come on, tell me.
Rahul is a doctor.
Yes, okay.
He treats sick people.
Very good. He treats sick people. Very good. So instead of, in place of Rahul, we have to make use of the pronoun he. Very good. Okay. Now let's move on to Anaya. Anaya, come on, Anaya. Read the next question. Unmute it, my dear. Anaya. Unmute it. Okay.
It is.
No. This you read from here. Read the second question.
It likes to drink milk.
Okay, read the question once more. That is a cat. From there you read.
That is a cat. It likes to drink milk.
Yes, I've already told you it is used in place of an animal. So it is a pronoun which is used for animal, for an animal or a thing. Okay, children. So with this, we are going to wind up today's session. So we have learned about the 7 main pronouns. That is he, she, it, I. Then we have already learned, we also learned about you, we, and they. Okay. So children, it's time for us to wind up today's session. Unless we are thorough with all these pronouns, we can't move on to the exercises in page number 26. Let us be thorough with it, then we'll move on to the exercises. Okay, children. So let's wind up today's session. Bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Bye, children. Bye-bye.